at our level as the African National Congress, we were very pleased to begin the process of discussing the relations between our two respective parties, but as well as to discuss the relationship between our peoples, the people of Kenya and the people of South Africa, that we have a common heritage as Africans. And I reminded President Kenyatta that we, black people of South Africa, originated in Central Africa. And it's possible that a number of us also originated in Kenya.
I want to take this opportunity to wish the ANC happy birthday. 106 years old, without doubt the oldest nationalist party on the continent. And I want to take this opportunity to congratulate them for the unity that they have kept and for the manner in which they have guided this country from the days of the struggle to the new South Africa that we see today. As I told my brother, we have a lot to learn from a party that has held together for 106 years, been involved in the struggle to liberate South Africa and also Africa, and is now part and parcel of the transformation of South Africa as well as the continent. I also took time to congratulate my brother on his victory as the new ANC president, wishing him and his new team every success as they endeavor to move the ANC to the next stage.